Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a task to a subtask. So let's say I have this task here, which is create a video too, and I want to convert this to a subtask. Simply look towards the right hand side, click the three dots. Here you'll find convert to, click on that, and here you can convert this to a subtask. So click on that. Then from here, you want to choose the task that you want to convert it under. Let's say I'm going to select this one here and click on convert to subtask. And that's it, guys. As you can see here, that task is converted into a subtask and it's now under this specific task. So if I open up this task right here, which is a create a video, and scroll down, you will see that under the subtask, create a video tool now falls under this. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Keep in mind that the subtask will contain everything that it has before, including the due date. So if you need to change that, you will need to click on the due date and kind of change that to match whatever you want. But that's it. So if you open up that subtask, you will see that that subtask contains all the details of the previous task because I created it and I duplicated from that task. And that's pretty much it, guys.